Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning Anna my Hobonichi Weeks planner for the week of February 2nd through the 8th. This is from SammyLynnPlanning. I don't know if this is available in her shop, but it is adorable and I've been wanting to use it for a while, so we're going to go ahead and use it. I call this the Swans and Roses kit. So guys, I'm going to show you something that I'm not even ashamed to show you. This is how last week looked. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even fill it out, so I have to go back and back plan. I'm sorry. This is the reality of life. Also, I'm so sorry that this video has been taking forever to go out. I don't understand why this specific video took absolutely forever to upload, but apparently it just decided it wanted to take 200 years, and I am so over it. Like, I don't understand why it took that long for a video to go out, but apparently, you know, that's just how life is, and that's just how it decided to be. So I don't know. I really hope that the videos will stop being silly and actually start uploading when I want them to, because they're technically supposed to go out on Tuesdays. That is my schedule for my week's videos, is I want them to go out on Tuesdays, but the past few weeks they have not decided to upload on time, and they just don't. So I'm gonna have to figure out a new uploading schedule. Oh, well, I ran out of this washi. Well, good, because I didn't line up this washi anyway. So we're gonna have to save this for something else. I did not realize that I was going to run out of that washi that fast, but okay. Here we go. Let's put this guy like that. And we are going to, where is my scissors? We're gonna steal just a little bit of this and add it to the edge here, so that it goes all the way, because I hate it when sometimes it just doesn't. And SammyLynnPlanning's kits do fit a normal Hobonichi Weeks. This is just a dupe, so that's why it doesn't like to work. Are we surprised? No, probably not. I'm not surprised that Hobonichi Weeks kits for dupe planners decide not to work, because it's a dupe, you know, it's not the exact same size as a normal planner, which is why it doesn't always fit. Hopefully that made sense. I probably didn't make any sense at all, but you know, are we really surprised? Y'all, I chose this kit because this is the weekend that I am technically, okay, so technically it's Sunday, right? The 1st. But I am watching Bridgerton this week. I've decided that that is going to be my happiness for the week. When I get off work every single day, I'm just going to watch an episode of Bridgerton, or I might just binge the whole thing. We'll find out. But that is my happiness. So that is why I chose this, because I felt like it had a subtle Bridgerton vibe. So I thought, you know what? This is the first full week that I will have to watch Bridgerton. So that is why I wanted to do this like Regency kind of like Swan and fun vibe, because it's cute and I love it. That is the only reason. I am just lining this up directly, and it is not quite fitting the days of the week, but that's okay, because I'm going to add this washi here to the bottom, and that is why I did this, because I want to add this right here. And I'm going to add some to the top up here as well, which technically I probably should have moved it down just a bit. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, now that I've fixed it, I think I can put it on here like this. Oh geez. I'm telling y'all, this washi, this silver washi that I used, y'all, it's from the Dollar Tree, and it can be so feral, like so just ridiculous. It's not even funny. It can just decide, you know what, I'm not going to work today, and not stick on the page, which has happened. It does do that. It does have a mind of its own. So don't be surprised if I get upset in this video that it's not staying on, because it does do that. Alright, now that is finished, we've got this down. Let's add the weekend banner, or the weekend header, I should say. And put it over here in the very corner, because that's what I do. And then, what in the world? Why are you like this? I don't understand. Then let's do the this week title. And we're gonna add these little habit trackers because I like them. Alright, then I think I'm gonna do these two because they are the same. We're gonna put these guys here. I think this one's gonna be towards the top. And let's grab a pink and blue one. So as I was saying, yes, I chose this for Bridgerton because it has that subtle Bridgerton vibe. If you are a Bridgerton fan, have you seen the latest Bridgerton episode, or episodes, I guess? And if you are not a Bridgerton fan, what have you been watching? Or even if you are a Bridgerton fan, what have you been watching? I want to know. I have been really liking Teen Wolf, as I said in my social media and my work planner videos. I really like Teen Wolf. So I've been watching that. And I've also been binging a couple of other shows as well. So I've been binging, let's put this here. I've been binging Hell's Kitchen. Love Hell's Kitchen. I love watching that, especially when I get off work. It's very fun for some reason. Do I know why? No, but I think it's hilarious to binge watch Hell's Kitchen when I get off work. So that's what I've been doing. And then I have also really been enjoying watching, well, I've started, I don't know if I want to say enjoying watching, but I've started, what is it called? Daredevil. Because I have been wanting to watch it, and the new season is coming out soon. I don't know when, but it's coming out soon. And I thought, you know, I should probably watch it because I started it. I started the first season a while back, and I never continued. So I was like, I might as well keep watching it because it should get better. It should get a lot more interesting. So I'm going to keep watching it and see. And I was correct that it did get more interesting and it did get better. So I think I'm almost done with the first season. I think. I could be wrong. But I'm almost positive I'm almost done with the first season. So that's exciting. I'm going to put you here. Alright, I want another box. So let's do this one. You know what? We're going to switch it. Give me that. You are going to go there. And you are going to go here. There we go. And we'll do one more right here with this one. And then you are going to go, well, no, hold on. Put you here. And you're going to go right here. Just for some fun. Look at that. We finished this whole sheet. So this is going to be my to clean. We know that my to buy ends up being my to plan. So let's do to plan here. And we'll put to clean right there. We're going to do important to do. That one's going to say this week. This one's going to be important. I think that's what I had last time, right? Maybe we'll do to do here. And then we'll do something that I never use, and we'll use the next week one. So we'll do that. It's going to say next week. Look at how cute that is. And we still have a little bit of this washi left. So I am going to use it because I want to use up this glitter pieces that we have, and it just makes sense to use it up, in my opinion. Okay, let's put this here. Right. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna put some over here, I think. No, I'm gonna do it this way. Like that, so it looks like it's going behind. What should we do with this piece? Kind of feel like I should put it here. Ooh, yeah, why don't we do that? Right? We could do it there. I feel like that's too much. Let's do it there. Okay. And get that behind. We still have a little piece left. Should we put it here so it looks like it's coming through behind? Yeah, let's do that. There we go. I probably could have put more on this side, and if I had more glitter washi, I would put it over here, but I don't. So this is what's going to have to do. Now I'm just going to try and stickle it on here by scraping it down onto the spread. That's how I usually try and make sure it stays. This is also a good like transition from winter to like pinkish Valentine's Day colors, which is what I do. So I like how this looks. I think this is super, super cute. I really like this silvery look. I'm not a huge silvery person, but I like this look. I think this is very cute. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my Hobonichi Weeks planner using this like Swan Rose kit from SammyLynnPlanning. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Check out my Hobonichi Weeks planner playlist. I will leave it linked in the description box below, as well as in the end of this video, so you guys can check that out if you want. Don't forget to check out SammyLynnPlanning. I will leave her information as well as my PR code in the description so you guys can save some money off of your order using my code. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.